Oriri ciiko cia andu gukua mari moko-ini ma maabitha borithi ithiite na mbere kuongerereka bururi-ini. Kamiti ya bunge igie ugitiri wa bururi ni ithing'iriire uria wamuritwo gutuika muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa kunyabara uruti wira wa borithi ya EPOA Ndagitari Duncan Ojwang ataririe njira iria angihuthira kung'ethanira na ciiko icio undu umwe na gutigirira maabitha aria makoretwo makiitabania ni mang'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
The cases, if you analyze that data, the cases completed are 16% of the recorded complaints received and processed. Kindly give your opinion on that figure of 16%.
We've heard of many cases of deaths at most of our police custodies. So that is another issue which I would really want the tell us what he'll do about those issues which have put the government in the bad light.
Ojwang uri uthurimirwo mothe ni kamiti ino hinyiriirie bata wa maabitha borithi gwikiraga kamera iria ikoragwo ngui-ini riria riothe mari wira-ini niguo gutigirira maundu mothe marikaga marikoragwo mari ma kiwatho noguo kumathing'iriria gukoragwo na uigiririku hindi ciothe mari wira-ini.
The constitution and is saying they must be accountable, but they must also be transparent, and that will be killing two birds or even more than two birds with one stone on the issue of probably even corruption. So body camera for police have been strongly suggested that our police must put on body camera.
Ojwang agomeirwo ni ciuria icio riri ruhonge rwa borithi rugomeirwo ni ciuria nyingi ciigie uigiririku waruo makiria kurumirira ikuo cia Kenya ria Albert Ojwang na Eric Otieno mari thero-ini cia maabitha borithi kuria hinyiriirie bata wa kamera cia CCTV kugathikwo ceceni-ini ciothe cia maabitha borithi niguo kuramataga maria mothe mari hanikaga ceceni-ini icio nginya mathaa-ini ma utuku.
Each police station must have CCTVs. We know how much the CCTV have helped in the case of Ojwang. So each police station must have functional CCTV because bad things happen when there is darkness or people cannot see what you are doing.
Ojwang ahinyiriirie bata wa kuhe maabitha borithi mathomo ma guikaraga wega na muingi wa bururi na makiria kumahotithagia gutia ihoto cia muingi kuona maya nimo maundu maria macungagiriria muingi wa bururi kwaga mwihoko na ruhonge rwa borithi.
Must now understand the 2010 constitution and mainstream human rights to the accused, to those in their custody, including right to life and human dignity. There is no reason why Kenyans should be running when they see a police.
Iguru rio Ojwang ni athingatire ya bunge kuongerera kigina kiria EPOA ikoretwo ikiamukira bajeti-ini ya bururi akiuga wagi wa maabitha iganu niguo ukoretwo uri muhinga munene hari uruti wira wa ruhonge ruru rwa EPOA noguo gitumi kia nginya guthianirira kwa macira maria mandikithitio magibatara gutabanirio uthuthuria.
Our staff is supposed to be 1,300. We only have 300. If we are given a little more resources, Kenya is big. The police are by themselves more than 100,000. Then we can do a little better. To report to IPOA.
Girivotera Kameme TV. Jitagwo Mwaura Wagunyam.
Investigating cases.